Hey everybody, I'm Kathy Hester, and today I'm going to show you 2 ways to go live on Facebook on your phone. There's an issue right now, so I know that it might be helpful. So you can see that I'm showing my phone. I'm going to get in here. So there are 2 Facebook icons. One just looks like the regular Facebook. Another one says Facebook page. That's an app that you need to go live on a Facebook page. But first, let's just look at the regular Facebook one. And I don't know if, let's take me off of here for a second. All right, so if I wanted to go live on my personal page, I would click this live, and then I could just start the live video. If you notice up here, actually, oh, that's funny. It's showing my camera of it being live. So we're seeing a whole lot of things right now. So I could start the live video and just right there, and then that would be that. So if I wanted to find a group, I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to look for a group like Live Video Workshop. And then I'm going to click the live button in where I would write something normally. Okay, so that's pretty easy to do. On the Facebook page app, I'm going to come in here, and unless they've changed it, which maybe they have, there's visitor posts, there's publish. I think we have to go into publish now, yes. So publish, and if you look, there's a little icon that's a video camera that you might think is a way to upload a video, but it is not. When you click it, it's the live video. So that icon has changed a little bit, but you will not be able to go live in a group. Let's go ahead and, you won't be able to go live in a group through the Facebook page app, right? So if you're going to go live in a page, you have to have that app on your phone or your tablet if that is the way that you're going live. That's one of the differences between going live on your phone and tablet and going live on a computer or iMac or desktop computer. So it's really pretty easy to do. You can switch the cameras from front and back. You'll have it, and you also have all these silly like filters that you can use if you wanted to do something funny. But it's just that simple. One of the reasons you might want to go live today, which is in May, it may be later when you're watching this, is that Facebook's doing something weird on laptops and computers in their live video producer, and that should change, but it's easy to go live on your phone. So just go ahead and give that a try, and if you have any problems with that, just let me know. If you have some questions, I'd be happy to help you.